Welcome to my channel Techno Trend Zone. If you're a photography enthusiast or a professional, you've likely heard of the Fujifilm XPR series. Since the launch of the XPR 3 over 3 years ago, it has continued to impress with its retro-inspired design, durable build, and advanced features. Now in 2025, the highly anticipated Fujifilm XPR 4 is on the horizon, generating immense buzz and excitement. This new release promises to seamlessly blend tradition with cutting-edge innovation, making it a must-have for photographers seeking both style and substance. The legacy of the Fujifilm XPR series. The XPR series isn't just about delivering high-quality photographs. It's about creating an experience that resonates deeply with photographers. These cameras stand out by offering a unique blend of vintage aesthetics and modern functionality. Holding an XPR camera feels like holding a piece of history, perfectly adapted to meet today's creative needs. The XPR 3 set a high benchmark with its tactile dials, intuitive controls, and renowned hybrid viewfinder. It appealed to photographers who cherish both the artistry of film photography and the convenience of digital technology. Now the XPR 4 is set to carry this legacy forward, refining key features while introducing groundbreaking advancements. Fujifilm's commitment to elevating photography into an art form is evident in every detail, from the exquisite design and build quality to the cutting-edge technology packed inside. The XPR line isn't just another camera series. It's a statement of dedication to preserving and enhancing the art of photography. Expected release date. Rumors suggest the Fujifilm XPR 4 will hit the shelves in late 2025, nearly 5 years after the XPR 3 was launched. This extended gap has only heightened anticipation among fans. Fujifilm has taken its time to perfect the XPR 4, ensuring it meets high expectations. The release is strategically timed to align with the holiday season when demand for high-quality cameras peaks. With stock levels of the XPR 3 beginning to dwindle, it's clear that Fujifilm is gearing up for this major launch. For dedicated fans and newcomers alike, the XPR 4's debut promises to be one of the most exciting events of the year. Revolutionary sensor and processor. At the core of the Fujifilm XPR 4 is the rumored 40-megapixel APS-C X-Trans 5 backside illuminated BSI sensor. This significant upgrade offers enhanced detail, improved low-light performance, and more accurate color reproduction. Paired with Fujifilm's powerful X Processor 5, this sensor promises stunning results. The BSI design ensures superior light capture, allowing photographers to achieve vibrant and detailed images even in challenging lighting conditions. Whether shooting landscapes at dusk or portraits in dimly lit interiors, the XPR 4 delivers exceptional performance. Videographers will also benefit, with the camera expected to support 4K video recording at 60 frames per second with 10-bit color depth. This combination ensures smooth transitions, stunning detail, and true-to-life colors in every frame. Game-changing stabilization. One of the standout features of the Fujifilm XPR 4 is its rumored in-body image stabilization IBIS system, offering up to 5 stops of stabilization. This feature is a game-changer for photographers and videographers alike. For photographers, IBIS allows for handheld shooting at slower shutter speeds without motion blur caused by camera shake. This opens up new creative possibilities, such as capturing sharp images in low light or experimenting with motion blur effects. For videographers, the stabilization system ensures smooth and steady footage even when shooting handheld or in dynamic environments. Whether capturing fast-paced action or slow, deliberate movements, the XPR 4's IBIS system elevates your results. Autofocus advancements. Autofocus has always been a strong suit for Fujifilm, and the XPR 4 is expected to raise the bar even higher. Borrowing from the advanced autofocus system of the Fujifilm X-T5, the XPR 4 is rumored to feature enhanced subject detection and tracking capabilities. Expect sharp, precise focus even when shooting fast-moving subjects such as wildlife or sports. Street photographers will also appreciate the camera's ability to quickly and accurately lock onto subjects in unpredictable settings. A design that's both timeless and modern. The XPR series has always been synonymous with premium craftsmanship, and the XPR 4 is no exception. Fujifilm is rumored to have taken the design to the next level, incorporating luxurious materials and refined elements that make the camera a pleasure to use. The XPR 4 is expected to maintain the series' signature retro aesthetic while introducing modern enhancements. Updates to the electronic viewfinder, including increased size and magnification, will provide a more immersive shooting experience. Tactile controls and an intuitive menu system have always been hallmarks of the XPR series, and the XPR4 builds on this tradition by refining ergonomics and the user interface. Fujifilm aims to make the camera even more user-friendly without compromising its premium feel. Luxury meets functionality. The Fujifilm XPR4 isn't just a camera. It's an artistic companion. Fujifilm's commitment to blending luxury with functionality is evident in every detail. From the enhanced build quality to the incorporation of advanced features, the XPR4 is crafted to appeal to professionals and enthusiasts alike. This camera is designed for those who value more than just technical specs. It's for those who appreciate the artistry of photography and want a tool that inspires creativity. Pricing and target audience. With its premium features and design enhancements, the Fujifilm XPR4 is expected to be priced between $1,800 and $2,200. While this may seem steep for an APS-C camera, the XPR series has always catered to a niche audience. For photographers who appreciate Fujifilm's unique approach to design and usability, the price point is justified. Competing in a crowded market. The XPR4 will face stiff competition from both APS-C and full-frame cameras. However, Fujifilm's focus on innovation, craftsmanship, and the photographer's experience sets it apart. Stay tuned for more updates on this groundbreaking release as we get closer to its official launch.